Before you waste hundreds of dollars setting up an LLC, I want you to watch this video first. I've set up and managed over 5 LLCs for all of our businesses, and most beginners are overpaying for stuff they don't actually need. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up an LLC step by step for free, what free actually means, and the state fees that you may still be required to pay, and all of the common upsells that I would avoid if I was starting from scratch. We'll start with what an LLC actually is, why people use one, and whether it makes sense for your side hustle, your online business, or your freelance work. And then I'm going to walk you through the entire setup process step by step in plain English so you know exactly what to click, what to skip, and where beginners usually get tripped up. So before we jump onto the computer, let's quickly cover what an LLC actually is. An LLC stands for Limited Liability Company. In simple terms, it creates a separate business entity between you and your business. So instead of everything being under your personal name, your business can have its own name, its own bank accounts, income, and expenses. The main reason people set one up is liability protection. If something goes wrong in your business, the goal is to help separate your personal assets like your house, your car, your savings, your personal bank accounts from the actual business. But here's the part where most beginners miss. Once you set up an LLC, you need to treat it like a real business. You need to keep your business and your personal money separate. Open up a business banking account and track your income and expenses. If you set up an LLC but still run everything through your personal checking account, you're kind of defeating the entire purpose. So the next question I always get asked is, when do you actually need an LLC? And honestly, not everyone needs an LLC from day one. If you're brainstorming ideas and you haven't made any money yet, don't overcomplicate things. But if you're selling a product or a service, you're working with clients, you're freelancing, you're doing affiliate marketing, you're running an online business, you're selling digital products, or you're making money from a side hustle, that's when an LLC starts to make sense. At that point, money is actually coming in, expenses are actually going out, and it's smart to separate your personal from your business. For a busy parent starting something from home, like a virtual assistant work, printables, blogging, affiliate marketing, or a local AI marketing agency, an LLC can help make the business cleaner, more official, and easier to manage. It's not about looking fancy, it's about keeping things simple, organized, and protected as your business grows. And a real quick disclaimer before we jump over to the computer and actually walk you through this, I am not an attorney, I am not a tax pro. This isn't legal or tax advice. I'm just sharing what I've learned from setting up multiple LLCs for all of our businesses. Every state is different, and your situation may be different too, so when in doubt, talk to a qualified professional. My goal here is to simply make this as simple and beginner friendly as possible so you don't waste any time and money on stuff you probably don't need. All right, now that you know what an LLC is and why you might want one, let's jump over to the computer and I'll walk you through the exact process step by step. And for this walkthrough, I'm gonna use a very well-known company called Bizee because they have 0 LLC formation options where you only have to pay the required state fees. So when I say free, I wanna be extremely clear. I'm talking about Bizee's filing service being free. Your state may still charge a filing fee, and the fee changes depending on where you live. Now let's go step by step so you know where to click, what to click, and where the upsells usually show up. All right, so over on the website, we're gonna start an LLC in 6 simple steps. And again, Trustpilot has them a 4.7 out of 5 stars. These are actual customers leaving reviews. And they're bootstrapped since 2004 with over 1 million entrepreneurs served. So here's the steps that we're gonna follow. We're gonna name our LLC, we're gonna provide an address, we're gonna assign our registered agent, we're gonna provide names and addresses for LLC members, state purpose of your LLC, and then last but not least, file the articles of organization. So again, the benefits of forming an LLC, you're going to have liability protection. It's going to safeguard you from your personal assets and your business assets. It's going to simplify all compliance in your state. It's going to have tax flexibility, and it's super easy to manage. So let's go ahead and get started. And I'm just gonna use a fake business for this. I'm gonna pretend like I'm starting another AI agency. So first things first, we're gonna click entity type and we're gonna click LLC. You don't need to worry about these ones. That's when you grow even further. And we live in New York State. So I'm gonna go ahead and click New York. Super simple. All right, so it brought up all the packages here. I'm gonna kind of walk through the one that I would recommend. It's recommending the standard, and we're just gonna look through on what the difference is. So it looks like the first thing that is included in the standard that's not in the basic is your federal tax ID EIN number. So again, if you want to pay an extra $200, you absolutely can. It's going to expedite things, make things a lot more simple for you. If you value your time, you probably want to do the standard package. But if you're trying to be as budget friendly as possible, the basic version is all you're going to need. And then for New York State, you can see we have a $205 state fee. So federal tax ID, you can literally search how to get a federal EIN number. And then on the IRS website, you click here. I've had to do this a bunch of times. You can just apply for your EIN right here. This is going to take some time, but you can begin your application and kind of go through the process there. It takes about 10 minutes, so nothing crazy, doesn't take forever. You can either pay $70 or you can do it yourself and save the $70. An operating agreement, again, this is kind of like explaining what your business is, who they're serving. It's your operating agreement, who the members are. You can use ChatGPT to do this. You don't need to pay $100 to do this. So I'm going to go ahead and click the basic version here. I'm just going to look for anything else. Lifetime compliance alerts, unlimited phone, email support. So you're going to give up some of these things going for the basic. And then let's see, S Corp filing, that's down the road. We don't need S Corp right now. Again, that's when you make a certain amount of money. You want to move from an LLC to an S Corp to save more taxes. So we're going to go with the basic. Again, the only two major things that I see are going to be this federal EIN number, which again, take 10 minutes. I'll leave a link in the description for this as well. And you can basically set up your EIN, and then the operating agreement, you can go to ChatGPT after you're done creating your LLC. You can kind of upload some of the paperwork and just say, make me a operating agreement. All right, so next, we're just gonna go ahead and click Get Started. Hey, real quick, if this is saving you time and helping you avoid paying for stuff you don't actually need, can you hit the like button so YouTube shows this to more business owners like yourself? And comment ready to launch if you're excited about setting up your LLC. I'd love to see how many of you are actually taking action on this. All right, next you're gonna pick your LLC name. So this is the best thing to do is get something that's very similar to what your business name is. So in this example, I'm starting an AI agency to help local businesses basically grow and become the rocket ship for their marketing. So I'm just gonna type in a simple AI Growth Rocket, and it looks like this is how it's gonna be displayed, AI Growth Rocket LLC. And it didn't come back as unavailable. So I'm gonna go ahead and click next. Again, another upsell that you can avoid if you're trying to save money. Typical filing takes about 3 weeks. If you're in a hurry, you can pay $50 and they can get it to you within a day. But since we're trying to save money here and do it as cheap as possible, we're gonna go ahead and do that. Contact person, that's gonna be your first name and last. And this is just you're just the contact person for this LLC. So we're gonna go ahead and click next there. All right, so on the next page is going to be asking for your company address. Now you can use a virtual address. This is going to keep your address off public records. It's going to keep basically your personal and business completely separate, like we said before. Everything's going to go to the virtual address and then come to you anyways. But again, for $29 a month, that's what, $360 a year. We're gonna use our own address. And then each state has its own compliance here, but I'm going to go ahead and add our own address in here and the county, and then we're going to click next. And then it's going to pop up, do you want to use suggested? So it's done correctly, and I would say yes. So on the next page, you have a premium service package upgrade for only $99 to receive all 4 of the premium services, a $354 value. So again, the EIN, the operating agreement, now they're packaging it together because you didn't want it the first time. You don't need this stuff. You can definitely just click no thanks. But again, if you want to save some time, you have the capital in your business already, go ahead. Number of members and employees. Most of the time, it's just gonna be a single member LLC, unless you have your spouse on it or someone else that you're partnering with. So I'm just gonna keep it an individual. I'm gonna select my name and address to fill that out again and click next. All right, so now we're on to registered agent. New York State requires the LLC to have a registered agent. A registered agent receives legal and state mail from your business, so you don't have to. So there's kind of 2 benefits here. If you use your own address, your own registered agent, stuff is gonna come to you, right to your house, versus going to your registered agent. It looks like the first year is free, but then it's $149 after that. You do get to keep your address private, so you're not getting junk mail for businesses and all that stuff. Never miss a document that matters. That's not gonna get missed if I use my own address as well. So again, I'm gonna use myself as my own registered agent and click next. All right, on the next page is please provide an EIN tax number for information for AI Growth Rocket. The EIN is often registered to a federal employee identification number. Establish bank accounts. Yeah, you need the EIN to establish your bank accounts, properly pay for accounts and wages, file tax returns. So again, you can pay Bizee to do it for $70, or you can say I don't need one, and you can file, and you can go right to the IRS website and do it yourself. So I'm gonna click no to that. Most LLC owners open a bank account in their first week. All right, so now we have an offer for a bank account. Again, this is how Bizee makes their money. So they basically help you file for free, but they have all these upsells that they're hoping that people, get nervous about, that they need, and they'll go ahead and sign up for that. So again, I'm trying to make this as quick and possible and seamless for you, for all beginners creating their LLC and starting it for as little as possible. So I would say no thanks to this. I'll leave a link in the description for our favorite bank accounts that we use in our business. You can check those ones out, and it's just not going to be tied to Bizee. Select your preferred method for delivery. You can do FedEx Express for $25, or you can do an electric delivery. We're gonna do electric. All right, so now we have tax strategy and free consulting. You can basically get on a call and they're gonna go over how your LLC is taxed, how to choose a proper IRS election, common and missed tax deductions, all this stuff, business bookkeeping requirements. I'm sure they're gonna have tons of upsells on the call. I've never jumped on the call with them, so I'm not gonna do that now. But if you're brand new, it might be something to consider. Me personally, what we personally do is we have a CPA locally in the area that we live, and we use her for everything. So we basically have her as our tax consultant. So if you're starting a business and it's just getting started, you probably don't need one. You can just file your taxes with Tax Turbo or something like that. It stays pretty simple. But as income starts coming in, you start growing, you're going to want to use a more in-depth like QuickBooks and really start to manage your business better. Now it has business license research package, basically telling you which business licenses we need. We're going to do no, we'll do it ourselves. All right, now here's our order summary. We're going to go all the way down and make sure everything's correct. Make sure that we are the only sole member and click next. And now you just fill out your information here, your credit card information, and you click complete and pay. So super simple, and then it's going to get filed to you and returned, and you basically just did your LLC and you set it up. All right, before you submit anything, slow down, make sure you review everything, check your LLC name, your state, your total cost, your address, the package or the packages that you've selected, and any add-ons that were offered. This is the time you want to make sure everything is correct and you know exactly what you're paying for. Once everything looks good, you can submit your order and wait for your state to process the filing. And again, that processing time is going to vary depending on the state. And just remember, after your LLC is approved, keep your business and personal money separate. Open a business banking account. Again, we'll have our top ones recommended below, and stay on top of any state requirements so that your LLC stays active. And if you're a busy parent trying to build something from home, I have something super special for you in the pinned comment below, so make sure you take that next step. And if you made it all the way to the end and you're excited about launching your LLC and making your business official, comment ready to launch below so I can cheer you on. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you check out this next video here, and I will see you over there. God bless.